Today, we'll get to know three types of welding. Which one produces the most heat? Which one gives more control? And which welding is used the most in heavy industries? Let's go, step by step, and learn everything in an easy way. SMWA, stick welding. This welding method is called stick welding. Here, the electrode rod melts and becomes part of the metal itself. The heat from the arc creates a protective layer, which gives the weld extra strength. This type of welding is used in construction work, bridges, large structures, because it works in almost any condition, whether it's dusty, windy, or even outdoors in rough environments. It may look simple, but controlling heat, angle, and movement requires real experience and steady hands. This is the welding that builds the strong framework of the world. GMWA, MIG welding. This is called MIG welding. Here, a wire feeds continuously through the welding gun, while gas protects the weld from contamination. This makes the weld clean, smooth, and fast. That's why MIG welding is widely used in car factories, workshops, and production industries. There is less smoke, less spark, and the finishing looks very neat. If you want a professional, clean weld within a short time, MIG welding is the perfect choice.